will be clicking down over here. This is by color. This is by representative data. Let's save the data by doing it into the sum of sales, coloring by sum of sales. See over here, I have done the coloring by the sales pattern, how much the representative have sold, and that will be the coloring, so on. So in the east region, Richard has the top, so he has a dark color bar image. So this is in the central, Alex the next, so on till we have the last value of in the west is Thomas 89. So we got the data by sales, the coloring data by sales representative sales format. So we are copying this same as image and exporting, and then if you don't want in this downward the color legend, then we can do it in the image option. We can do it in the vertical format to the side by side. So we have copied it. So let's export in the sheet 2 in our sheet. This is the sheet 1, and then the page 2. See how beautiful it is looking right now. We have this data by sales units from 89 to 369 got sold, and the colors we can see over here. 89, the so less, from top to the bottom we have got each and every data over here by sales data April 2021 and units with sales representative names and so on. So that's it, guys. We can save n number of data what we have made it on the Tableau, and depend on the parameters and data set what we have, we can create it and we can export it. And this is just I've shown you it in Word. Then you can convert this into PDF file, or else we can do it into the PPT file, so on, and you can explain your boss that what you have got from you and what you have from the data, visualize it, and you can explain your boss or manager depend on the data set and the visualization what you have got. That's it, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. And for regarding this sheet, and I will be updating this on the description link of GitHub link in the description. That's it for today's topic on this, and we will be moving on next topic on Tableaus in the next session. And thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.